Welcome. My name is David Elliott, founder of Freedom Waterless Car Wash, and today we're going to do a demonstration of the Freedom 1 Waterless Car Wash product. When we first do a demonstration, we want to make sure we have 2 microfiber towels. We're going to spray a little bit of product in one, the other we're going to spray on the car, making sure it's evenly spread out. A small area at a time is just fine. What we're doing here is the microfiber towel can soak up 9 times its weight in water. The soaps in the Freedom 1 product actually dissolve the dirt on contact. It also has some polymer waxes in there to help polish it afterwards. So now we've just dissolved the dirt on contact. We are going to rub it in. It's going to be collected in the microfiber towel and buffed off with the second towel. Okay? And you can see it clean as we work here. It takes very little effort. There's the dirt. There's the shine. Very, very nice. Thanks for watching.